Okay, everyone, we're going to meet the welding program's one and only Will. He became a welding student at NWFSC right out of high school. He's going to tell us how the program makes sparks fly, literally. Will, take it away.
Thanks, Alex, and hello to everyone watching. My story begins with my father. And for as long as I can remember, he's worked on cars, and it's been a huge part of my life. My father and I have talked about custom building cars for a while, and it piqued my interest in welding. I had heard tons about Northwest Florida State College's impressive welding program, so here I am. I started the welding program right out of high school, and it's taught me a lot more than I could ever imagine. From the students to the instructors, everyone in this program has been extremely helpful and kind. Since day one, I've learned so much from my classmates and how they explain and do things. The welding shop encourages learning from success and failures so that you can improve yourself and your skills. I've developed time management skills and have bettered the quality of my work, whether it's completing a homework assignment or welding above my head on top of a ladder. I'll be the first to admit I'm not a big school person, but the students, faculty, and staff have been open, kind, and helpful, and it goes a long way. Everything I've seen has been top-notch when it comes to financial aid, military benefits, and other resources for students. And this had a big impact on my decision to come here. Once I finish this welding course, I'll take my experience on the road and apply it to the real world, where it matters most. One day you'll hopefully see me building cars with my father, like I've always dreamed. NWFSC is setting me up for that. Thank you, Alex. Back to you.
Wow, Will, you and your fellow students have a bright future ahead. It is amazing to hear how the college supports students like you in achieving and going beyond their dreams. Thanks again, Will.